Isn't it crazy that you can actually use Google to get paid online? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how by revealing a little-known website. You don't need anything other than your device, internet connection, and the instructions that I'm about to lay out for you in this short video. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get into it. In fact, let's start with a crazy recommendation. Just click the first link and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a beginner. But please keep in mind that it is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. The very first site that you need to head on over to is google.com and then search Google Products and Services and hit enter. You'll see all of these pages and you'll want to click on this particular one right here and head to this website. To browse all of Google's products, just click on this button. And here you will be able to browse all of the Google-owned platforms that you can use for free. You've got Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Earth, and you have Gmail here, Google Authenticator, and much more. We're going to focus on Google Sites, so click on that. As the name of this website suggests, Google Sites is a website where you can create your own website for absolutely free. Before you all freak out though, here's some important info. You won't be buying a domain, you won't be designing anything, and as such, you don't need any special skills to make this work. What you need to do on this page here is click on this plus icon, below which you can see it says blank. This will now obviously open up a blank page for you that you can design. Now, what you guys will need to do is leave that website open. We will come back to it in a moment. And you want to head over to youtube.com, and what you will need to do on YouTube is search for videos in one particular niche. It can be any niche you want it to be. Here's the only thing that matters. The videos that you search for are tutorial videos that are of course helpful and beneficial for people, so you do not want entertainment type videos, but rather videos that show people how to achieve something. As an example, I went with the health and fitness niche, since it's so popular. And I specifically searched for how to get six-pack abs. This is a great example to use because these videos have millions upon millions of views. And this will be useful to us, as you'll see in a moment. When you find a video you think is good enough, you will now need to copy its link. And you will now head over to the third platform we will be using in this strategy. The platform that will actually be paying us today. This site is called exe.io. This website is a place where you can shorten links first and foremost. So you take a link, paste it in a box, and you can shorten it, making the link look a bit better. The big difference between this site and, for example, Bitly, is that this website actually pays you when someone clicks on your link. And that is what makes it so awesome. You don't need anyone to make a purchase or even sign up to some website or whatever. You just need clicks on your link, plain and simple. This is what makes this website so effective for making money online. It's far easier to get 1,000 clicks on a link than 1,000 signups to a website or 1,000 purchases on some digital product. Before we move on, here are some payment proofs to show you that this platform is legitimate. As you can see, all of these people are getting paid through this site on a daily basis. With that being said, how much money are we talking about here? You can see that it depends on what country the clicks are coming from. If 1,000 people from the US clicked on your link, you get paid $8. Meanwhile, if you get 1,000 clicks from people that are from Canada, then you get paid $7.50, and so on. Obviously, this isn't that much money, but this is why I have an excellent traffic source to share with you, so keep watching for that. The first thing that you need to do on this platform is sign up. Once you've logged in, this is what everything will look like. You will now be able to shorten links and get paid. And what you will now want to do is shorten the link from that YouTube video you got a while back. To do so, just click on Create Link here. Just paste the URL here in this box and click on Create. And this will now display the shortened URL for you. And whenever someone clicks on it, you get paid. It's as simple as that. And now we are finally circling back to the first website I showed you today, the Google Sites platform. Now you just need to simply put a design on the page. depending on the niche you are in and what video you decided to use. In my case, I decided to go for a video that shows people how to get six-pack abs, so I designed this page accordingly. You will first need to change the title and then add a background photo, and doing that is quite simple. The next step from here, once you add the photo, would be to add some call to action. This is where that shortened link comes into play. You want to write something to draw people to click onto your link. In my case, I just wrote in, how to get six-pack abs in 30 days or less. Now you need to insert a button right next to that text. So click on button here. Type in what you want to be displayed on the button and paste your shortened link in this box here. From here, guys, you can just tweak the designs as you like. When you're done, just click on publish in the upper right corner here. And you will then be able to add a link to this page. And that is the link you want to share with people. When someone clicks on this link, they will be taken to this page, where they will be able to see this photo in the background, as well as this button here. And many of them who want to get six-pack abs will be willing to check out the actual video. Whenever some of them click on this button, you get paid, as simple as that. Now, you just need traffic. The main traffic source that I would recommend is Quora.com. On here, people ask questions and get answers from the members of the community. It's a hugely popular site with hundreds of millions of visits, which is quite important for us. What you will want to do on Quora is simple. Type in the search bar here something along the lines of how to get six-pack abs. And you will now be able to see all of these people who have asked questions regarding that. All of these people will be interested in my page, meaning that they would want to check out that video of getting six-pack abs. And each and every time they do so, I will get paid. What you will need to do from here, guys, is simply respond to all of these questions. You can type in something like, this video here helped me a lot, something like that, and you will be able to get a lot of clicks on your shortened link. Main reason being is that Quora is very popular. Keep in mind that the people who have asked the questions won't be the only ones to see your answer, but so will every single person who searched for getting six-pack abs on Google.com and went to Quora. This is why Quora's popularity is so important and can make you so much money. And that is it for today's video. If you've learned something new today, then be sure to like this video, comment your thoughts and questions down below, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you never miss out on another amazing money-making method. I'll see you next time.